Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the range in Google Sheet. There are two ways to do this. One way is to use function. We have two functions in Excel and Google Sheet. The min function which finds the minimum number in a set of values and the max function which finds the maximum value. Here I have a list of height and I need to find the range of value for this height. First, let's find the minimum value. Click on an empty cell. Then type is equal to min. Open brackets, select the range of cells and close the brackets. When you press enter, you can see the minimum value is 156. Next, let's find the maximum value for the same set of data. Type is equal to max, open brackets, select the same range, close the brackets and press enter. Now you can see the maximum value is 199. So the range falls between 156 and 199. The other way to find the range is to sort the data. First select the data, then right click, click on view more, selections and choose sort range. This opens a box where you can select the order A to Z which sorts number ascending order. Then click on sort and your data will be arranged from the lowest to the highest value. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.